Hi, good morning. This is Jeline Comia. I'm a licensed real estate broker here in Batangas. So today is April 23 at nandito ako ngayon sa Lipa City, Batangas. At papunta ako ngayon sa Mount Malarayat Golf and Country Club para silipin at i-check yung available na fairway lot. So sa mga naghahanap sa inyo ng residential lot inside the golf course community here in Batangas, baka ito na yung hinahanap nyo. So tara, samahan nyo ako.
I can't slow down, shouting loud, got me running red lights. Oh, I just can't get you out of my mind. I can't slow down, raising wild, speeding into the night. Oh, I just can't get you out of my mind. Yeah.
Ayan, at nakarating na nga tayo dito sa Mount Malarayat Golf and Country Club at makikita na natin kung ano yung view ng available na fairway lot dito sa Malarayat. So tara, i-check na natin. So ito yung available na fairway lot dito sa Mount Malarayat Golf and Country Club. So this is a 1,082 square meters lot facing west yung sa frontage niya, pero yung likod naman niya is facing east. So, dyan yung sunrise sa may bundok na Mount Malarayat. And then, walang obstruction yung likod at yung view niya is yung hole number 24 ng golf course. So, ito naman yung partial view ng neighborhood, yung paligid niya. Hindi ko lang ipapakita sa inyo yung mga bahay kasi for privacy and security ng mga homeowners. Pero, yan. Ang kagandahan niyan, pwede nyo na siyang patayuan ng bahay. If you are interested to get a property here at Mount Malarayat Golf and Country Club, you can contact me at 0917-621-0788 or you can visit my Facebook page at Jeline Comia, licensed real estate broker here in Batangas. Thank you for watching!